Whose day? My day? My day's good. I actually worked out. It was pretty productive.
To the people that are watching us.
Oh, the people that are watching us. I don't know. They probably have to comment and let you know. And then I'll let you know. Okay? So, we're going to be doing... Okay? Go ahead. It's our secret. Alright, so we're going to be building... Not really building, but we're going to be making a... What is this? An Easter egg?
It's not an Easter egg.
Then what is it? It's a little dog? 2 dogs? I don't know.
It's not 2 dogs.
So it's animal activities. Shape a pet. And then the rest is in French, I believe. Make a puppy or a kitty. Okay, so this is a Play-Doh set that we can make either a puppy or a kitty. Brand new. Still in the box, obviously. And let's open it up and let's get started, right? All right, let's do it.
Play-Doh.
So there's the first piece. That's the second piece. One. That's the face.
And
this is the. It looks like the hair. All right.
No, that's not the hair of that one. I think
it is the ears.
No, this one is from that.
And I'm actually gonna get the camera a lot closer so you can see.
Yeah, and this
you can see us actually make this.
This is not even Play-Doh. You see, it doesn't. It's just fake from it. But these are the ones that we're going to make with it.
That's right.
These are really hard to open. It smells good.
Oh, nothing like a fresh smell of Play-Doh in the morning. All right.
So it's the first day we're doing this without faces. And you see?
So let's actually make the, what do you think? Let's make the puppy right here. This is the puppy, the blue one.
Yep. Let's take the blue out.
Yep.
And let's keep this.
Yeah, let's close up the yellow one.
Because
we're actually going to need the yellow one for the little dots for the puppy. So, I'll do the honors. And we just finished the cat and the puppy. So
the puppy's not here.
The puppy is not here because it's either one or the other, unless you have more Play-Doh. So we did the puppy, blue puppy with, is it? Yep, blue puppy with the yellow dots, and we did the kitty, the yellow kitty with the blue stripes, and which is the one we have right here.
A blue kitty.
Oh my God.
Or you can do blue kitty too.
Huh?
Or you can do blue kitty, and you can do yellow stripes. You see on the back?
Actually, we could turn it into a puppy right now. Done.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Or we can just put the dots on here too to make it a puppy and a cat. Even we could change.
We could have, but you know, maybe next time. So that's it.
So
if you enjoyed it and you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up.
And
so until next time.